Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide any payment methods for orders over a limit Shopify checkout using KlinKode PayRules. In this video, we use cash on delivery as an example. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now select Maximum Cart Total. We will specify a maximum of $500. This means if an order exceeds $500, certain payment methods, like cash on delivery, won't be available. This will remove the cash on delivery option during checkout. For those order over limit, you'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. Now let's test our rule. After creating the rule, let's head to the checkout page. You can see that the cash on delivery option is available because the order amount is below $500. Let's add more products and increase the overall cost to over $500. Then check again. As expected, the COD option disappears from the checkout page. That's it, a simple way to manage any payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!